Welcome to AmeenAcademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu SSLC Maths Textbook Exercise 8.3, question number 5. At a feet, cards bearing a numbers 1 to 1000, one number on one card are put in the box. Each player selects one card at random and that card is not replaced. If the selected card has a perfect square number greater than 500, the player wins the prize. What is the probability that the first player wins the prize, the second player wins a prize? Now, look at this. The cards numbered number 2, 1, 2, 3 up to 1000. Now, here we have to select a perfect square in this number. From 20 square is 400, 21 square is 441. From 22 square we'll select check. Now 22 square is 484, but it should be starting 500, greater than 500. That is 23 square is 529. Like that, higher is 31 square. Suppose it is 961, but up to 1000 the numbered. Therefore, 32 square is 1024. So we have to the perfect square between 500 up to 1000 is the perfect square from 23 to 31. Therefore, the number should be selected to get a to win the prize is 23 can be selected, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30 up to 31 you can select. Now that is these numbers square are between 500, above 500 and below 1000. Therefore, the first answer, what is asked, what is the probability that first player wins the prize? Probability of first player wins the prize equal total numbers is 9 numbers are there, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 over total card is 1000. This is the probability of first player wins the prize. Second, probability of second player wins the prize is here already one card is selected, so out of these 9 cards one card is selected to win, so it is 8. 9 minus 1 is 8. Total number of cards in the box is 999. This is our probability of second player wins the prize. Now next question, a bag contains 12 blue balls and X red balls. If one ball is drawn at random, what is the probability that will be a red ball? Second one, if 8 more red balls are put in the bag, and if the probability of drawing red ball will be twice that of the probability of 1, then X. Here let here number of blue ball equal 12. Number of red ball equal X. Therefore, total number of ball is 12 plus X. Here, rounded. What is the probability that will be red ball? Probability of red ball. Probability of selecting red ball is number of red ball is x, total ball is x plus 12. This is a first. Now if 8 more red balls are put in the bag, and if the probability of drawing red ball will be twice. Now if 8 more red balls are added in box, therefore now number of red balls equal x plus 8. Total balls in the bag is x plus 8 plus 12, which is x plus 20. Now this let it be. Now probability of selecting red ball, this condition, red ball, number of red ball is x plus 8, total ball is x plus 20. This let it be true. Now the condition given probability of 2 equal 2 times probability of 1. Now probability of 2 is x plus 8 over x plus 20 equal 2 times x over x plus 12. So here therefore x plus 8 over 20 equal 2x over x plus 12. By cross multiplying, x plus 8 x plus 12 equal 40x. Now which is multiplication is x square plus 20x plus 96 equal 4x. No, before that it's not here some yeah, the condition if 8 more red balls are put in the bag, and if the probability of drawing red ball will twice the probability of 1 then x. Here it's not 2 into x plus 12 x plus 8 over x plus 20 equal to into x over x plus 12, which is equal x plus 8 into x plus 12 equal 2x into x plus 20. This cross multiply, x plus 20 is cross multiplied, so which gives x square. 8 plus 12 is 20x plus 96 equal 2x square plus 40x. Here collecting right side, 2x square minus x square is x square, 40x minus 20x is 20x, then minus 96 equal 0. Now 96 can be splitted, last time can be splitted as 4 and 24. The middle term is positive, so 24 is positive, 4 is negative, which gives by factorizing x square minus 4x plus 24x minus 96 equals 0. Then common, x is common, x minus 4. Here 24 and 96 is 24 is common, x minus 4 equals 0. Therefore we have x minus 4 x plus 24 equals 0. Therefore we have x equal to 4 and x equal to minus 24. Number of balls not in negative numbers, so 24 minus 24 is ignored. Therefore we have x equal to 4. Then we have to find number of find x. We found x equal find x, and also you can find probability of drawing red ball. We can find, if further you can tell, probability of red equal x over x plus 12 equal 4 over 4 plus 12 is 16, which is equal 1 by 4. So we have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.